Hey guys, this is Stephanie Farron, the Technology Facilitator at Butler High School, and this quick video tutorial is about creating and updating our Google Sites and how we can check to make sure that our links and our files are in the correct format for our new site. So we're going to look at our Google site and we're going to look at our old sites and we're going to talk about what we need to do to make them compliant and work together. On my old site, and if you notice, I'm just in the public facing side of it. I'm not even in the editing side of it. If I want to copy my information from my old site to the new site, it's quick and simple. I simply highlight the information I'd like to click to copy. Try not to go too fast here. And then I copy and paste, Control V and Control C. On my new site, I am going to go to inserting a new text box and then just pasting in my information. It will keep all my links and all of my formatting the same, so that's super easy. But now the problem is that I need to check my links to see where they're going to make sure A, I don't have any dead links, B, the links are active, C, the links are going back to files that I'm going to keep up to date. So I have a couple options. I can either go to the old site and actually click through my links to see what I have. So for example, this first one, the Tech Talk meeting, when I click that, this is a Google site that's linked to. I know that from what it is, but I also know it from the URL. This is fine. I don't need to change the URL at all. The Google site is fine. The next one, video directions, if I click it, it links to a video. Well, again, this is fine. This link hasn't changed, and I don't need to make a change in my new site. I can also check this in my new site each time. So my new site, if I hover over each of the links, it will show me what the URL is. If I click the pencil, I can change that. So I can look at these. Sometimes they're too long, so it's hard for me to see in the beginning what it is. But this is a doc, so I don't need to make a change. The next one, the video directions, same thing. It's linking off. But however, this third one, the handout directions to claim the Student Ed Cloud, if I click it, this one's a problem. And the way I know that is because the URL is my Weebly URL, and it clearly says that I uploaded the file. So I have a couple options. I can go through my entire Weebly site and download each of my files, or I can do it as I go. Once I have these files downloaded, I am then going to need to put it in a place that I can change the links in my new site. Well, the easiest place to put it is in Google Drive, because remember, Google Drive talks with Google Sites. So what I recommend you do is go to your Drive and create a folder for your website. And in your folder, put all the items that you need to flip from one site to another. So for example, I've made mine, it's called Website Images and Website. In it, I'm putting all my files that I need to change and all my images that I need to change. So when I'm ready, all I have to do in my site is then go in, highlight the one I want to change, and then come in and I'm going to click from Drive, and I'm going to go in to my link from my website images and then choose my file. Now remember, when you insert a file, it actually can insert the entire file. So if I don't want that, oops, I made a mistake, I can trash can it. If I want to change it so it's still just links, then what I want to do is come over here into my Google Drive, click my file, make sure my share settings are set so that anyone with a link can view this. The easiest way to do this is to change the permissions on the entire folder so that anyone can view. So I've done it for this file. If I'm going to go back and do it for the entire folder, if I just click back, go down to my website image folder, right click on it, I can click the share button for the entire folder and change the entire folder from private, which is default, to anyone with the link can view. Why do I want to do this? Because anytime I put a file into that folder, it's automatically going to make that change for me, and I don't have to keep doing that. Once I do that and I click my file, I just simply click my URL, copy it, come over here. If I want it to be a link, I can come right here. Let me get my mouse to work correctly. Click my pencil, and then just change my link. And now it's going to no longer be this upload folder, but the one from my Google Drive. I can click Publish to save it, preview it, and make sure my links are working the way I want them to work. So when I click my handout, didn't get the right one, so I'm going to have to fix that. I think I got the wrong link. So what will I need to do? Go back to my page. Click here. Let's get my details. Okay. We're going to make sure that I get my URL link here. In my drive, we got share. Here's my link. Copied that link. Come over here. We're going to update this one. Again, hit publish, check it, and make sure that it works. So you're going to need to do this for all your links. Make sure that your links are exactly what you want them to be, that they are opening the way you want your users to see them. Okay?